What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today has been exactly a week since I posted my first video. I want to thank all you guys for the support. I have right now, I'm in the 70s of subscribers, and the comments have been great, and all you guys are keeping up with the video and giving it a thumbs up. I love the support. I want to thank all my friends and family that helped me start this channel. Specifically my girlfriend. You know, she's been a very good supporter, my co-workers, all you guys. I want to thank you very much, because without you, I wouldn't be able to make this happen. So today's video is pretty much an accumulation of a couple of days that I've just been doing short recordings about my light bar, which is slash BulBar. It's a BulBar. It comes with a little insert for the light bar. It's an all-in-one. So I will be talking a little bit about the installation process and how to wire it up, so you don't have to do any drilling inside the cab and stuff like that. Very simple. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and keep them coming, guys. I love the comments, I love the feedback. So if you have any more suggestions, please keep them coming. And one thing that I have been struggling with is to find a good app to edit my videos, because they have very poor quality right now. You know, I'm getting started. So if you guys know of an app that I can probably download to my computer, because right now I'm doing everything off the phone. So if you guys can probably suggest me an app that I can probably download to the computer, so I can edit my videos, make transitions, stuff like that, to provide you guys with better quality, I would very much like to do that, because that's what you guys deserve. You deserve the best, and I'm here to just help you guys out. And hopefully you love what I'm doing to my truck, you love this build, and in the end, hopefully we have a pretty cool truck, and hopefully you guys get inspired by this. So yeah, thank you very much, and keep them coming. Keep coming with the thumbs up, with the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. You know, I'm on a mission right now. I'm on a goal to 1,000 subscribers. One at a time. Maybe I can get 100 a week. You know, who knows? So thank you guys. So right now I want to do a little demonstration on my light bar. And now that it's kind of getting dark, I think it will look nice lit up and stuff. So I'm actually going to show you also one of my favorite features that comes stock with this truck, which is the start remote. And let's do a little cold start. Perfect. Man, I love that. There's nothing better than starting up your truck after a whole day, letting the engine warm up a little bit. So let me go inside the cab, and I'm gonna show you how easy this was, connecting the LED light bar to the fog lamps, and now just pressing the switch inside the cab, they will both turn on at the same time. Let's see right here. I'll do a later video on where you can buy this F-150 custom, similar to WeatherTech mats. Very cool, and not as expensive as the WeatherTechs themselves. So that will be a later video. Stick around. So let's get to it. Let me show you how badass this light bar really is. The main thing is the light. The light itself, I didn't want any switch on the truck itself. Like, I didn't want to do any drilling, any extra wiring to the dashboard or anything like that. So what I told the guys was, if they could connect this light to the fog lights that come originally to the truck. So the way it works is, when I'm inside the cab, and obviously don't use these lights out there in the street where you have a lot of incoming traffic. So what I do is, since it's already hooked up to the original fog lights, once I touch the fog lights button in the truck, it lights up with the fog lights. And I think that's very cool if you don't want to do any extra drilling, any extra wiring, anything like that. And it's very simple. So yeah, that's the way that works. And later on in the future, like I said before in my previous video, I want to connect them that have the same lighting, the HIDs, so that they light up the same LED white. Here you can see, guys, the Lund BulBar with the built-in LED light bar. I believe this light bar is about 20 inches. And it definitely adds a very mean look to the front of your truck. I love it because it's pretty much flush. It doesn't cover the Ford sign. So you have this and then just have the Ford sign. So that's very neat. And the installation on this is very, very easy actually. All I did was right here, just pretty much open a hole. And since mine didn't have the tow hooks, it was easier because it just has the mount there. So just tie it in there with the bolts and nuts. And on the other side, you have pretty much the same thing. And then the connection to the. Let me show you guys how bright this light really is. So all you gotta do is just click the fog lights right here. Let's see. Yep, it is very bright. All I gotta do is just match these and these,